read and learn. Sky is so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Assalamualaikum, Sayyida Maryam Naqvi is here from the Moonlight International Publishers. Respected teachers, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Today's lowercase letter T, okay? Its learning outcomes are: the student is expected to learn. Identify the lowercase letter T. Learn the vocabulary words that start with sound. Look this image. It's tiger and tent. What we have to teach more? Train, tape, tomato. Very good. Make different flashcards. Train, tomato, truck. It's students' favorite thing. Okay, tent also and tiger. Show these flashcards to the students. Individually call them and ask about this flashcard. Which object is this and its color. After that, teach them the tiger is in the tent. The tiger is in the tent. Okay, who is in the tent? Lion, tiger. Very good. Where is the tiger? The tiger is in the tent. The tiger is in the tent. Okay, in mime, hold a tennis in your hand and pretend like that you are playing and saying tennis, tennis. I hope so you understood how you have to teach very well in the class and engage your class. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.